Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do these stamping lips nails. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. So first I started off with a nude base on my nails, and then I am just going in with this like really sheer milky white gel polish just because I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. I really like this look of the milky white on top of the nude. And then I'm taking like a makeup wedge sponge and I'm just going in with this beautiful deep red gel polish, and I'm drawing on my lips directly on top of the sponge. So you'll see I'm just drawing like kind of like how we used to draw birds when we were kids. I'm just putting this on top of the sponge. I'm just going over it like this, and then I did bring it down a little bit and I am filling it in. And then for the bottom lip, I'm just drawing like a big round smile line type of thing. I'm not connecting the top and the bottom lip. I'm just making sure to get it as close as I can. And then I'm just adding some volume to her lips as so. Once that's finished, you see literally I just press it on my nail and boom, you have it on the nail. And I find it gives the effect of like a real looking kind of kiss, as if you were to like kiss something, you know what I mean? You're like the transfer of your lipstick. I did do a second one, so it's a little lighter, and then I'm taking my flash cure lamp and I'm just going over it quickly to flash cure it. I did go in with a darker red on the sponge again, and I am making a little bit of a bigger lip this time, so I'm just drawing the same thing again. Top lip, bottom lip, and then I'm going to be adding volume after just to make sure that everything's nice and voluptuous. You can go in with any color you want. You can do pink, you could do whatever, but I thought I wanted to do like a lighter red and a deeper red because they do transfer a bit lighter when you put them onto the nail. And you'll see I'm just placing them kind of wherever. You could do wherever you want, and just keep in mind if ever you wanted to do it a little bit darker that you have to go over it a little bit with polish again on the sponge on the outline that you had put before, just to make sure that it transfers on brighter in color. I did clean up a little bit that I got on my skin. Once that's finished, fully cure it, and then I'm going in with a nice layer of top coat, making sure everything's nice and saturated, and there you have it. You have this beautiful stamping lips nail tutorial. I love this little hack with the stamps. I find it just looks like you're transferring a kiss onto like a mirror or something from lipstick. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me. I thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!